Alright, now we're at Daebak Korean BBQ. Bryan and I are very happy. And so far, all we have is condiments.
Oh, now it's coming.
We got beef, short rib. Nice. Very good.
And zucchini, squash, fish cake, cabbage kimchi, bean sprout, potato salad, and pickled jalapeno.
I wish that we were seated a little bit differently. Can I move over that way and you cook from here so we can have all the stuff right in front of us?
Yeah.
Because it's kind of split in half now. You know what I mean?
No problem.
Hard to get to everything for both of us. Maybe we can share better if we're... Alright, now we're at Daebak Korean BBQ. Bryan and I are very happy. And so far, all we have is condiments.
Oh, now it's coming.
We got beef, short rib. Nice. Very good. Preparing our bite for it.
Particularly with the soybean paste.
Soybean paste. Nice.
Wrap like taco.
Okay.
Wrap it up.
Wrap it up, honey.
Give it a try, honey. See what you think.
Everything is one bite.
I can do that.
You can do everything. Yeah.
You better put something on you. You like it? Alright. Try mine now. The pickled radish is good, the chunk of it.
Well,
That's nice.
nice. Yum, yum. Good.
If you guys are the first cake cooking like just done, wait for another 30 seconds and then they will get ready. But if you want them cook a little bit more crispy, let them sit in the pan for 3 more minutes.
Okay.
You want it nice only like that, right? Not too much.
Maybe a little of both. We can take some off when you want and then leave some on it.
Okay. Thank you.
Still enjoying? Too much? Yeah, it's good, huh?
What? Too much. No, too much.
So that's the brisket, right?
Yes.
Got a little bit of fat in it. Looks nice, huh?
Yeah. Oh my God.
Yeah.
So the brisket.
Back at the Korean barbecue. Surprise, surprise. I've made a concoction. I have lettuce. I have the daikon radish. I have the brisket. I have this salad with a kimchi salad. And I have a big piece of the kimchi from here on here. And a little bit of the two sauces. And to go with it, I have this tasty pickled jalapeno. That one a little bit hotter than the other one. This one's got a little heat on the back of my throat. Messy, but nice. You have so many choices to mix and match. And the kimchi here is nice. Regular kimchi. This steamed
Kombucha.
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 Basically,
Pumpkin.
it's a squash and
Yeah,
green.
squash.
Looks like a green squash. It tastes like dessert, just steamed. We'll have to look into this and see if this fits into our keto. My guess is there's a lot of starch in it. But super tasty. There's no keto this weekend. We're eating whatever we want. Because we're 2 months in, 2 months to go on our treatment.
And then tomorrow, what is our plan?
Yeah. Having tapas at Mercat de la Plaza, something like that. It's a South American tapas restaurant at the Blackstone Hotel, the historic Blackstone Hotel that we're staying at. And we're going to eat there tomorrow night because it might be raining. We're going to get their $75 tasting menu, and it's really good. We had it once before, celebrate something, and it was really nice. It's a really, really nice place to eat. So, and other than that, we're going to hit Jim's Polish, yeah, Jim's Polish on the way out of town on
Polish
Sunday.
what? Hot dog.
No, it's not a hot dog, it's sausage.
Sausage.
Polish.
Polish
Polish is a Polish.
Polish is a Polish.
So it is what it is. So that's it. All right. We are finished at the barbecue place. Maria's full. She ate my rice, her rice. We ate all of the condiments, I believe. All the kimchi, all the varieties of kimchi. The pickled jalapenos with the pickled radish and the onion was really nice. That was really tasty. Pickled pickled kimchi salad, some bean sprouts. We did not finish the potato salad. It was kind of blah, I guess. I don't know. We had all the kimchi. What else? 3 types of meat. We ate most of the egg, most of the corn, cheese corn. I don't know. As you saw in the first video, there's about 20 different condiments. We ate almost all of them. Almost everything was really tasty. And the best find of all was the Korean squash, kombucha. We're going to look for that. It's a Japanese winter squash. You just have to steam it, and it's like having a dessert. It's really sweet. And per 85 grams of it, it's only about 30 calories. Very low carb as well, pretty much. So that's a good thing. And the biggest find all was the barley tea. I'm going to post a picture of it if you can find it somewhere, but we're going to buy some at M-Mart or H-Mart here in Chicago. They buy it, the restaurant buys it from there. So we're going to get us some barley tea. So very good, mild, and it's basically, when you look at the nutrition, it's all zeros. So there's no carbs, no sugar, no nothing added to it, and it's nice and tasty. And I usually add sugar to all my tea, or sweetener, and this is fine. So overall, I highly recommend this place. Very, very nice, and they cook most of your meat for you. So our bill's going to set us back $100. Dumplings, pan-fried dumplings, which was appetizer $8.50. The Daebak combo, small, $76.99 for 2 people. Came with the kimchi with pork stew, which is that over there, which we do not eat all of it. And then 2 barley and corn tea. So I think it was just barley tea. So $100. So that plus the tip. Very nice evening, right, honey? 2 thumbs up for us. 2 thumbs up. All right, that's it, boys.